Hi, I'm Crystal. Today I want to talk about the anemia. So in today's presentation, I will talk about the causes, symptoms, treatment, and the prevention of the anemia. So first, let's move on the causes. Anemia is caused by the body's inability to produce enough hemoglobin. The main causes of anemia are lack of iron in the diet, excessive dieting, excessive blood loss in women's menstrual period, and drink too much alcohol. So we can see the picture. The normal and the anemia's hemoglobin is different, and the anemia has a less hemoglobin than the normal. And there are about 3 billion people in the world with varying degrees of anemia, and tens of millions of people die every year due to various diseases caused by anemia. Among people suffering from anemia, women are significantly higher than men, as the elder and children are higher than middle-aged and young men. In recent years, many women suffer from nutritional disorders and several anemia due to excessive weight loss. So let's move on to the samples, and we can see the pictures. This list 9 samples of the anemia, and also I found the patients with anemia may feel fatigued and exhausted, depressed, and irritable. Other symptoms include fatigue, disease, fainting, absence, irritability, decreased concentration, and unbearable coldness. Okay, so what's the treatment of the anemia? So the treatment of the anemia requires supplementation of folic acid and vitamin B12. And in the pictures, we can see the foods which have the folic acid and the vitamin B12. And these foods, there includes the folic acid and vitamin B12. And they are very good for treatment and the prevention. And so the methods to prevent anemia includes dietary adjustment and combination of the work and rest. The nutrition of the diet must be reasonable and the food must be divisible. There should be no partial liquids, otherwise it will cause anemia due to lack of certain nutrients. The diet should be regular and modest, and excessive dieting and overeating are strictly prohibited. Appropriate sports activities are required in normal days, and there are some foods we need to eat in daily lives. And I found a nurse foods for the anemia. So it is spinach and pork liver soup. So for this food, I list the 7 important elements, and they are calories, fats, carbohydrates, protein, vitamin C, vitamin E, and iron. Here are the ingredients that used to make the soup, and we need the pork liver, spinach, wolfberry, and some ginger and garlic. And I also found the animal liver is not only rich in iron and protein, but also very rich in vitamins and minerals. And here's my own reflection. So after a series of the investigation, I found that anemia is very harmful to the human body. It can cause the patient to lose energy and lipids. In severe cases, it also cause shock. Therefore, I think it is very necessary to do simple prevention in daily life. We must maintain good eating habits in our daily lives. Eat regularly, and have a balanced and extensive nutritional intake and avoid passionate and picking at eaters. We must take care of our bodies so that we can have the energy to study and work. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching and eat healthy every day.